I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your account where the recovery email is set. Use your primary credentials and complete any two-factor step so you're fully authenticated. Once done, navigate to Security or Personal Info. Those sections hold recovery contact settings. Make sure you can verify with a phone or authenticator app before removing anything, because the service will need another way to prove it's really you. This first action prevents being locked out when you delete the recovery address. You now find the specific recovery email entry and choose Edit or Remove. Services usually require re-verification. Expect a code to your phone or authenticator. Enter that code promptly and confirm the change. The platform removes the address only after successful verification to prevent hijacking. If there's an option to replace rather than delete, consider swapping in another verified method first. This middle step ensures continuity of account recovery and explains why. Finish by confirming the recovery email is gone in your account settings. Refresh and reopen the recovery section to verify. Next, test the sign-in and recovery flow using your remaining method so you know recovery still works. If the platform blocks removal or requests the old email, clear browser cache and try again, or use another device. If problems persist, contact support and provide proof of ownership, account creation date, or recent activity to resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.